Gizzle Rollin.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, Gizzle Skate.
YouTube, what the deal is, you hear me, goddamn, man? Hey, bro, I got a whole new attitude. I got a whole new way I'm feeling. If y'all ain't know, if y'all don't follow me on social media, I really ain't really said it on social media or say anything about it, but only my close ones know. Yes, my son has arrived, so I'm feeling a feeling that I ain't felt before, but it's my first time leaving him at the house, but we got a show today to go to. We got Ben City, that's from 11 to 4. I'm currently late right now, but we got that going on, and we're gonna leave and go to Gonzalez to a car show out there from 5 p.m. until. So we got 2 shows to go to today. It's gonna be 2 separate videos. I don't know. It may be 1 video. I don't know. But it's my first day picking the camera up again. So we good. As y'all know, my dog Big Bull, thugging. He got a little minor upgrades on some things. You know what I'm saying? We got the chrome lower grill right now. We got the grill lights in the grill, and we got Gizzle Rollin up there at the top. You know what I'm saying? It's still going down. I may not even do a full wash. I'm gonna just pull up, wipe down with the little quick detail. Rocket, shut up! All right, so we out here at Ben City Liquidation, and look who pulled up on me. Goddamn, he got
Sponsored by
Twisted Tea. We out here though, bro. Y'all know Tootie done popped out. We ain't gonna do a full detail yet. But Tootie done popped out. How you feeling?
Shit, I'm feeling good,
It's
baby.
his first show.
Big stunner.
Well, popping the first one over. And yes, I'm gonna get me one. You know what I'm saying? But hey, I told him blue here. Blue here. You know what I'm saying? I just bought Blue a marble set.
No.
Because you got to register in the show by buying some of my liquidation bin.
Oh, I didn't.
So I bought Blue a marble set. We got to put it together. A 122 piece.
Ooh,
122. So how you feeling riding
big? Hey, I ain't gonna lie. Hey, it feels
you
good.
You fucked the ribs up yet?
Follow me.
12 seconds later.
Flawless.
Okay, flawless. Okay.
Flawless.
Okay.
For sale, by the way.
They for sale already?
For sale, not on sale.
Okay.
Flawless.
Okay.
One more time.
All right. Let me see something.
Flawless.
Okay.
Like I say, they on sale. No, they're for sale, not on sale.
Oh, you gonna sell them before or after scrape?
It don't matter.
It is what it is.
If you want them bitches, holla at me.
5K, they gone.
They gone.
Mine's are for sale as well. Like he said, not on sale. Is that a Boosie? We got Boosie badass.
For sure. What's up,
Look,
bro?
That's how you know the car shit serious. Look, that's how you know this truck shit serious. This truck shit serious whenever my dog pull up fresh. Look, he's still on the tie.
With the tie.
He's still on the clock right now. We're gonna be thugging tonight at the Gonzalez car show, and we going to Twin Peaks from 6 to 10 tonight. So we going to the show from 5 to 8. Come back. It's called Cruising in Twin Peaks. So it's going down. It's going down tonight. So Boosie, we gonna see you there, Boosie.
For sure.
My dog came, everybody come holler. You see that Balin's gone, huh?
I see.
I pulled up, I was right there at the light right there.
We see each other.
I said, man, who this nigga sitting big in the bitch right there? His happy ass.
They got my nigga out here, bro. Jaquante, you see what it is? Twisted Tea shouted, you know what I'm saying? We waiting on my dog Quam. Gonna cop that goddamn 250. We can raise that in the air, and we gonna go half on a gooseneck, and we gonna pull this to all the shows.
All of them.
That's how we gonna do it.
And we gonna be sponsored by Twisted.
Sponsored by Twisted Tea. You hear me? We got this clean ass G-body out here, bro. Yeah. Clean G-body. So what year model it is again, my dog?
86.
Okay, we got an 86. You got an 86, bro. You got an 86. Clean G-body, bro.
It's for sale.
It's for sale. And how can they reach you? Bro?
Call me at 225-324-9877.
For sale. Double den CD player. Bro, OG done pulled up with the bike. It's everything custom made. He bent the iron himself, installed the motor himself. He ain't done with it yet. Going down, bro. Look at that. That's new. That's new. So what's the process gonna be like? How long the whole process will be?
Well, if I had everything, shit, it wouldn't take me no longer than about 3 weeks to build
3 weeks?
one. Yeah, ordering parts and finding parts. This is the first build I did, so it's gonna take a little while to do your first one. But after you do the first one, you know what you're going through. Then
All right,
you know
now.
all your pins and shit. Yeah.
But if y'all want to get with them for the bill of custom, you know what I'm saying? Trike, bike, whatever, get with them. Where they can reach you at, brother?
225-407-3338.
He caught my eye when he pulled up. I'm like, man, that look like some customs. You know what I'm saying? But man, hey, bro, it's coming together good though. Like for real.
What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this pipe off here and I'm gonna put a one-stage kit on it.
Yeah.
The muffler come back up under the seat.
It's gonna be nice, bro. It's gonna be nice.
Oh,
it's gonna be nice.
yeah.
Say what up, YouTube?
What up?
They can't even see your ass. Huh? Your phone breaking up.
You on that water, nigga. Your phone breaking up.
Tell the blog, I say what up.
What?
Y'all might not can see BBA Hatch boy, but look, he say what's Zam. You know what I'm saying? He out there on that water. He couldn't be here today, but he here in spirit. Y'all see that water? My nigga Crazy Jaden pulled up out this. You hear me? That still A1. He done leveled that motherfucker out. You know what I'm saying? It's all Gucci though. Brother, what it do, man? Long time no see. You back outside tonight for a little bit or what, bro?
Outside.
You know what I'm saying? Y'all might be seeing my dog for a little bit tonight. Look, hey, Ryan, these one of the best street chicken tacos I done had, bro. Ryan, you get your shit with these motherfuckers. For the plate. Ryan, we done blad these bitches. I'm finna go buy something else out of them just for to get some more fucking tacos. Them bitch impression.
Them bitch impression.
To try tea for the first time, you hear me? Get him on there, bro.
I ain't never had this.
Look, he never had it before. It's the half and half flavor. Y'all know we sponsored by Twisted Tea over here at Gizzle Rollin.
Ooh, first time.
Get his first response.
Let's
Get
see.
his response.
Let's see.
Uh-oh. Oh, he like it. He like it. This video is sponsored by Twisted Tea.
It take just like what you said.
See? It's fire. It's fire, bro. This video is sponsored by Twisted Tea. Twisted Tea, we getting y'all richer.
Twisted.
So get us richer.
Thank you.
Send us a case of that shit.
Please. A case?
A case like as far as like a whole box of like.
Let us get a lifetime supply. Send it on the pallet. On back of the Clydesdales. I need that.
Look.
Thank you.
Say what, Jay? Look.
I be like, man, these niggas always drinking this shit.
Man, now you see why. Now you see why.
Turn me on.
.38 special.
Nice right here.
Got that freshly sprayed bed liner, that bloody red. Put that spoiler on the back, that wing on the back.
Thank you.
Probably a 5.3.
5.3.
Probably a 5.3. Painted windshield.
What about
CS.
the C7 right here?
Ooh.
Check out the C7. It's garage kept.
That's what you call built.
It's garage kept.
It's garage kept. It's garage kept. I like that. Daily driver or what? Daily driver?
Not really. I do drive every chance I get.
Yeah.
His air coming from.
Oh yeah. He getting all that he need.
Blue belt, huh?
Yo, yeah.
Man, that's tough.
Gladiator shield. He got a nice, man, I ain't noticed this.
Dragon tried to come out there the other day with that little scrap.
Oh, yeah. Come on.
What happened?
How fast you was going when it did it?
Well, that might be a different story.
Like I tell people, you can get like this. All you gotta do is
Oh,
look, show them the car one more time. Show them the car one more time.
Okay.
Show them the hood, show them all the fine detail shit. You can have all of this. You can do all this easily. Stay in school and go to work. Go your ass to work.
Every day.
I don't listen.
Stay out the way.
If you ain't gotta go to the doctor, carry your ass to work.
Straight up.
If you ain't that, as much as you,
Cause ain't nothing gonna be handed to you, bro. That's just real talk.
Ain't shit free. If that's what you want to do.
Now, who am I here with today?
Ryan Rome.
Okay. Now, I want a full walk around. It ain't got to be every detail, but
man, I'm not
what we got? I want the year, make, model first.
2005 Chevy Corvette.
Okay. 05.
05. It's a 05. Believe it or not.
It's a 05.
It's a 05.
05 Chevy Corvette. Okay.
Lambo doors.
Lamborghini doors. Okay.
Custom hydro dipped engine bay.
Okay.
I had a little accident right here, but
Okay. Custom painted hood cap.
I got LED lights.
Color match that's well on the inside. Halos.
Ceramic coated aftermarket competition ZR1 hood.
Okay.
ZR1 wheels.
ZR1 wheels. Okay.
And some more hydro dipping in the.
Yes, all the AC vents, all the AC caps, the bezel, shift bezel, everything has been hydro dipped. Double DIN Pioneer radio, of course. And he went with the small detail as well. The mirror hang. Yes, y'all can see it. It's details that matter. Now we move into the trunk.
Full exhaust, Corsa Extreme, front and back with headers.
Now, if you don't want to, we ain't got to. Can we get an exhaust clip? Can we get an exhaust clip?
Man, let's do it.
Oh, wait, I see a NOS bottle back there. What?
Don't let me fool you. It's just a fire extinguisher. It's just a fire extinguisher.
Hey, that's damn good detail. Damn good detail.
But when I put it up here,
it look good. See? Look, leave it right there. Okay, they don't know what's going on, but just know we got that spray in there. He gonna do a nice little exhaust clip for us. Hey, I just want to tell you, you got a clean build, bro.
Thank you, my man.
Clean.
I want to see that video.
Oh, Jay, Tootie, how y'all feel with y'all first trophy?
I'm on.
How you feel? Hold up, Tootie.
Moment of silence.
We good. We bring
your
one
first
home.
trophy?
My first trophy, shit. That's what happened when you put in work.
Yeah, you see it.
Okay, let's get it.
See it.
Hold on, Gizzle. Hold on. What that? What? Hold on. Wait, hold on.
Gizzle Rollin broke one home too. Yeah, you know it's all good. But we worrying about my dogs bringing something home, bro. You know what I'm saying? My dogs done brought something home. Jaden brought something home. Tootie brought something home.
What's up?
The show with now we finna
change locations.
We finna change location. This gonna be either the same blog or I'm gonna just chop it up in 2 blogs. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but look, we finna get it in though. We going to the next show in Gonzales. We out here rolling, huh? Rolling!